I went to my grandma's and grandpa's. We played. I had fun. My dad pulled out the dog. I watched.
Go ahead, start again.
I went hunting with Dad and Papa. I saw a snow. I washed my mud race car. It was fun. I had a good time washing the mud race car.
Go.
I went to Uncle Jimmy's surprise party and we had fun. I went on the bouncy house. I played with my sisters. It was fun. I got my brother a dinosaur Hot Wheel. He liked it. I wanted to paint. I painted rainbows. I went to the store this week. We got groceries. I went to my sister's party. It was fun. Akila, Emma, me, and Hannah. I went to the doctor's. It was not fun. I spent the night at my grandma's house with my cousins. I played with my brother. We played inside. We played tag. I went to the mall. My uncle came to my house. I played on a video game and I went to sleep in my bed. It was fun. I ate spaghetti and played with babies. It was fun. I went to a hotel with my mom. There were 2 water slides and there was an arcade. We only stayed one night. I had fun. The kitten woke me up.
She stayed in
bed with me.
My brother was
sleeping. I
went
to go my driveway to ride my bike. I
went
slow on.
I
was
happy.
My big brother visited. We played hide and seek. We hid in my treehouse.